Looking at how to successfully negotiate a real estate commission. And at the top of my list, we have to ask, how flexible are real estate fees? Well, as you can see here on the screen, agents will often bend over backwards and juggle whatever we need to do a good job for you. So the truth is, real estate fees are technically negotiable regardless of what an agent might tell you. But your ability to negotiate a lower rate and how much lower depends on a variety of factors. So here's what we look at. The first thing we look at is your property. Is it in a challenging location? Does it back up to a freeway or to a railroad track? Will it be difficult to get into? The next thing we look at is demand in your area. Are we in a seller's market with lots of people grouping up in front of your house to see it? Or are we in a buyer's market where you could literally push your house down the boulevard in a cart and buyers would still be shopping around for the best deal? So, how flexible are the real estate fees? Well, this could also depend on the agent's relationship with their brokerage, and this varies from office to office. Now, when agents are fairly new, their split of the commission is typically 50-50. That's very common. They keep 50% and the brokerage keeps 50%. This allows the brokerage to provide training and education and resources for all the agents. And then the agent will keep the other 50% for living expenses, plus all the costs of doing business, including marketing your home.